Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to check and monitor data quality. After performing data augmentations, we get new data. We want to make sure the data doesn't have missing values, duplicates, or outliers. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, let's create a new file. I'm going to name the file monitor data quality. .py, and we are going to save this file inside the project folder. Let's click create file. Next, we are going to import three Python libraries. Firstly, we are going to import pandas. We are going to use this library to load the datasets. Next, we are going to import numpy. Import numpy snp. We are going to use this library for numerical operations. And lastly, we are going to import OS or operating system. Next, we are going to define the file path for the project folder. Let's open this file, retrained mlmodel.py, and we are going to copy and paste this line. So this is the file path to the project folder. Next, we are going to define the file path for the augmented data. Let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it dataPath, and we are going to use os.path.join, and let's put base directory inside the parentheses, and the name of the file is newdata.csv. Next, we are going to define the file path for the data quality report. Let's create another variable. I'm going to name it report path, and we are going to use os.path.join, and let's copy and paste base directory, and let's put it inside the parentheses, and we are going to name the report data quality report.txt. So the file format is txt. Next, we are going to load the datasets using pandas. Let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it df, and we are going to use pd.readcsv, and let's copy and paste data path, and let's put it inside the parentheses. Next, we are going to clean the column names. So let's open this file again, retrained model.py, and let's copy and paste this line. And we are going to replace realdf with df. Next, we are going to initialize report list. So let's create an empty list. I'm going to name the list report. Then after that, we are going to check if the data has missing values. Let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it missing. And to count the missing values, we are going to use .isNull.sum. Next, we are going to add section header report.append missing values. Next, we are going to add the missing values info report.append, and let's copy and paste missing, and let's put it inside the parentheses. But before that, we're going to convert the data type to string. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to count duplicate rows. We want to know how many duplicates this datasets has. Let's create another variable. I'm going to name it duplicate count. To count the duplicate, we're going to use df.duplicated.sum. Next, we are going to add the section header report.append /end duplicates. You might be wondering, why do we have /n? Because we want to start a new line. Next, we are going to add the duplicate info. Report.append. Let's copy and paste this variable, duplicate count, and put it here. And let's add duplicate rows found. Next, we are going to select numeric columns. Let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it numeric calls. df.select dtypes. And we are going to set include to np.number because we only want to include columns with integer or float data type. .columns .toList. Next, we are going to create an empty dictionary to hold outlier counts. I'm going to name the dictionary outlier count. And for now, this is going to be an empty dictionary. Next, we are going to create a for loop for call int numeric calls. We are going to calculate the z-score. Let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it z-score. And we are going to use np absolute value. In this case, we are going to subtract its value with the mint. So df call subtracted by df call dot mint. In this case, call is the index of the for loop, and we are going to divide this with the standard deviations. df call dot std. So this is the formula for calculating z-score. Next, we are going to count the outliers. Let's copy and paste this outlier count. And let's put call inside the bracket. Z-scores is greater than 3 dot sum. So the value will be saved in outlier count dictionary. Next, we are going to add the section header report.append /end potential outliers. Next, we are going to add the outlier info report.append str. So we're going to convert the data type to string, and let's copy and paste outlier count and put it here inside the parentheses. Next, we are going to open the file to write the report. With opened, let's copy and paste report path and put it here inside the parentheses, comma, w as f. Next, we are going to write all report lines f.write /end .joint, and let's copy and paste report and put it here inside the parentheses. Before we continue, there is one thing that we need to fix. This is supposed to be joined, so make sure that you fix that typo. Next, we are going to print the confirmations message. Print /end data quality report saved to. Let's copy and paste report path and let's put it here. Okay guys, we are done. Let's save the file. Just click file and click save. Before compiling the code, there is one mistake that we need to fix. This is supposed to be df.columns, not df. Make sure that you fix that. And let's save the file again and let's compile the code. Let's open a new terminal. Firstly, I'm going to clear the terminal and we are going to access the project folder. So let's type in cd slash user slash Chris Aldica, that's my username, slash desktop slash retrained. That's the project folder. And let's type in Python monitor data quality .py. That's the file name, right? Okay, here we go. Data quality report saved to this file path. Okay, now let's open the project folder. Let's open retrain folder. And here is the data quality report. Okay, here we go. We don't have any missing values. We don't have any duplicates, but we have some potential outliers. For the second column, depth, we have 8 potential outliers. For the third column, CDI, we have 1 potential outlier. And for the fourth column, MMI, we have 1 potential outlier. Okay guys, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.